Hello, my name is Johann West, and this summer I spent my time as a software development intern at Chalkline, which is a B2B software as a service startup based in Nashville, Tennessee. And what Chalkline does is they provide their B2B clients with the ability to integrate sports betting into their existing business models. And while I've worked on many things throughout the internship, my main project was the BettorAnalytics application, which is a CRUD reporting analytics and tooling application for Chalkline's clients to use. And I developed this in .NET for the back end and Vue.js for the front end. And so first off, we have user authentication. All this is tied into the existing Chalkline user authentication system that they have, and we'll go ahead and sign in. And first off, the user is greeted to the dashboard. Before I get to that, I'd like to talk just a little bit about how the UI is set up. Up top, we have the navigation bar with links to the two other applications that Chalkline has. And then off to the right, we have the client drop-down bar. This is for admin to switch between clients. Um, each individual client will just have the static name of their company there. And it also should be noted that a lot of this data is going to be redacted in post just to protect individuals' privacies. And coming back to the navigation off the left, we have the side navigation bar, which is the main navigation for the BettorAnalytics application. Here you can navigate between one of 10 different reports and a couple different tools that clients can use to manage their data. Then coming back to the dashboard, we have first and foremost, the user is greeted with a couple of different statistics that are immediately accessible and relevant to Chalkline's clients. Important business metrics such as the amount of players playing their games, the amount of games they've ran, entries, things like that. Off to the right, we have recent entries, which just gives the client a visual of entries coming in as players play their games. And then going down, we have a couple of charts. We have total database, entries per day. Total database represents the total database of players. All this is built with view charts and has a lot of functionality for users to interact with the charts. They can zoom in, zoom out, view each individual data point, and such and such. Everything on the dashboard can be modified. I say everything, not everything, but mostly everything be modified with the filters that can filter on different types of players, as sports betting all revolves around players. If you want to see players that are registered within your system, you can see that. And there's a couple options, which some clients have more options than others they have access to. And moving on actually to the reports, let's take a look at the all-time games report, which this report is a summary of the games that the client has ran, and they can see a list of all the games and see data about them, whether those games are currently open or if they were closed. Up top, they have a variety of filters they can use: series games, date filter, status, series and games. They get a drop down with the series that the client has ran, and all this is unique to each client, so they only see the options that are relevant to them. And another use case for these reports is same a client, and I ran this one game, the Women's World Cup Challenge, and I saw that there were 86 players who played this game. If I want a more focused view of those 86 players, I can actually click there and get a list of those 86 players and information about them. Of course, all this is going to be redacted. And if I want an even more focused view, I can actually narrow down onto any individual player and see information about that player. And for the interest of time, that's all we'll show for the reports, and we will move on to the couple of tools that BettorAnalytics has for clients to use. First off is the loyalty number upload tool. A lot of our clients have existing loyalty programs in place, and this tool makes it easy for them to upload a file with their players and their loyalty numbers and integrate that into their Chalkline system, all with just a couple of clicks and upload and a submit. And then the next tool we have is we call the Optimove tool. This allows clients to control the settings and parameters and also the time frequency of their SFTP uploads, uploads of their data that we run on a frequent basis, depending on their settings, and also control the settings of their SFTP upload to the Optimove platform. And that is it. That has been Better Analytics, and I've been Johann West, and thank you for watching.